हॅलो विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इथर्स पाहणार आहोत. आतापर्यंत आपण अल्कोहोल, फिनॉल अँड इथर या चॅप्टरमध्ये अल्कोहोल, फिनॉल आणि इथर्सचे नॉमेनक्लेचर, त्यांचं क्लासिफिकेशन, त्या सर्वांच्या प्रिपरेशन्स पाहिलेले आहेत. आता या चॅप्टरचा लास्ट पॉईंट आपण पाहणार आहोत, तो आहे केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इथर्स. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इथरमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत लॅबोरेटरी टेस्ट फॉर इथर. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, इथर्स हे बाकीच्या हायड्रोकार्बनपेक्षा डिफरंट का आहेत? तर त्याचं कारण आहे की इथर्स हे सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिडसोबत ऑक्झोनियम साल्ट तयार करतात, बाकीचे हायड्रोकार्बन्स तयार करत नाहीत. तर बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इथर्स हे न्यूट्रल्स आहेत इन ॲक्वायस मीडियम. इथर्स आर न्यूट्रल कंपाउंड इन ॲक्वायस मीडियम. देन ethers do not react with base, cold dilute acid, or reducing or oxidizing agent and active metals. They do not react with acid, base, or oxidizing, reducing agent or active metals. And ethers dissolve in concentrated sulfuric acid and forms oxonium salt. See here student, this is the ether ROR. This is concentrated sulfuric acid. When ethers react with concentrated sulfuric acid, the hydrogen of H2SO4 means HSO4H. See here, this hydrogen is attached here. See here, student, see here, this hydrogen is attached here, and here oxygen carries positive charge. Hence here this total salt, oxonium salt, is formed. Here R, O, R and hydrogen attach here, and HSO4 attach also within this compound. This is called oxonium salt, and this property of formation of oxonium salt is shown only ethers. Hence they are different than other hydrocarbons, or we may say that this is the property for distinguishing ethers from other hydrocarbon. This is called the laboratory test of ethers. What is laboratory test? When ethers dissolved in cold concentrated sulfuric acid, they forms oxonium salt. This is the distinguishing property of ether from hydrocarbons. Second chemical property of ether is that reaction involving alkyl group of ether. That means ROR. Here two alkyl or aryl groups may be present. Here see here, first property is formation of peroxide. Peroxide means in this way, two oxygen are attached with single bond with each other, and see here diethyl ether. We use the example of diethyl ether, and oxygen is added. That means when ethers are kept in long contact with air, then oxygens are added. Here oxygens are added. See here, this O2 molecule is attached here in this way. Here the O2 molecule is attached. Here oxygen and this OH. Here H, out of two hydrogen, one hydrogen is here and one hydrogen is here. See here, this is the peroxide linkage formed in this compound. Hence we may say that formation of peroxide occur. All ethers which have been exposed to atmospheric contain peroxide. This is very undesirable reaction. Peroxides are hazardous. Peroxides are hazardous because they decompose violently at high temperature. Hence they are hazardous. This is the example. This is the reaction for formation of peroxide. Peroxide, see here, here the peroxide in this way, peroxide linkages occur. Next, reaction involving CO bond. Reaction with hot dilute sulfuric acid, that means hydrolysis. See here, this is ether, this is symmetrical ether, this is unsymmetrical ether. Here out of the two groups, alkyl groups, one is alkyl and another is aryl group. All these are the three examples of ethers. And hydrolysis means here addition of OH group or OH containing group. We added here H2O, here and also all three cases we added H2O. And this hydrolysis takes place in the presence of hot dilute sulfuric acid. Hence we here used acid. H plus means protons which are donated by acid. Hence we write here H plus. Students, see here carefully. Here in this case, one of the H of water, hydrogen of water combine with RO and forms alcohol, and here also second alcohol molecule is present here. Hence two alcohols are formed. Two molecules of alcohols are formed. In the same way here also, see here this ROH and here also this ROH forms the alcohol, and again here this RO and H forms. Hence here two alcohols molecule, here also two alcohols molecules are forms. Here this is the example of aromatic alcohols, or we may call it phenol. In this way, this is the first reaction involving CO bond. Here alcohols are formed. Second is reaction with PCl5. Students, see carefully the reaction with PCl5. The phosphorus pentachloride contain 5 chlorine. See here, out of the 5 chlorine, 1 chlorine is attached here and forms RCl, alkyl chloride. Second chlorine attached with this molecule and forms also alkyl chloride, and 3 chlorine remains attached with this phosphorus and oxygen form POCl3. In this way, we may say that reaction with PCl5, reaction of ether with PCl5 forms haloalkanes or alkyl chlorides. In this way, these are the two reactions. Third reaction is reaction with hot concentrated acids. See here, student, this is ether molecule, this is acid molecule HX. Here this R and X forms RX, alkyl halides, and this ROH forms alcohol. This alcohol molecule again reacts with acid, forms alkyl halide and water molecule. The order of reactivity of acid is in this way. Alkyl iodides are most reactive, then hydroiodic acid is most reactive than hydrobromic acid, and hydrobromic acid is most reactive than hydrochloric acid. This is the sequence of reactivity. Student, when we react the hot concentrated hydroiodic acid with simple ether at 373 Kelvin, here two molecules of ethyl iodides are formed. Two molecules of ethyl iodides are formed, and water molecule is a byproduct. Here water molecule is a byproduct. When we react the hydroiodic acid with mixed ether, then the one of the alkyl group, two alkyl groups also forms alkyl iodides, and water molecule is removed. See here, this is the example of aromatic ether. Here also this CH3I forms methyl iodide, and this phenoxide is attached with hydrogen and forms phenol. In this way, we may say that hot concentrated acid reacts with ethers and forms alkyl iodides. Next reaction is electrophilic substitution in aromatic ethers. Students, this is the example of aromatic ether. See here, this oxygen attached with this one alkyl group and this is one aryl group. This is also example of ether. When this group is activating and ortho para directing, hence see here the electrophile attached to ortho and para position. Here electrophile is attached to ortho and para position. When we add Br2 in anisole, here one hydrogen is removed and Br attached. Here also hydrogen of ortho position is removed and Br group is attached. Here hydrogen of para position is removed and Br is attached. Hence here para bromoanisole and ortho bromoanisoles are formed. But para bromoanisole is a major product. This product occur at about 90% and ortho bromo is minor, occur at about 10%. Students, this is the electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution, or we may say that halogenation. Here we may say that this is halogenation because we add here halogen. Bromine is added here and two products are occur, para bromo and ortho bromo anisole. But para bromo anisole occur at major and ortho bromo occur at minor product and at about 10%. This is the halogenation of aromatic ether. Students, next is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. See here, this is the aromatic ether. Anisole is the example of aromatic ether. Here we add methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Here also this CS3 group is attached with para and ortho position. Or in IUPAC naming system, we may give numbering and say that CS group is attached to 4th and 2nd position. Here 4-methoxytoluene, this product occur in major quantity, and 2-methoxytoluene, this product occur in minor quantity. In this way, in Friedel-Crafts reaction, two products are obtained, 4-methoxytoluene and 2-methoxytoluene. Here the CS3 group is attached with here para position and here ortho position. In this way Friedel-Crafts reaction occur. The Friedel-Crafts, this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. See here student, when we add alkyl group, then this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here we add the alkyl group, that is group is CS3CO. This is alkyl group is added to anisole in presence of again anhydrous AlCl3. Here also this group is attached to ortho and para position. Here ortho and here para position. But the para product is occur at major quantity and ortho is minor quantity. See here, in this case the CS3CO is attached to para position. Here hydrogen is removed by the para position and COCH3 is attached. That means 4-methoxyacetophenone occur and here COCH3 is attached to ortho position, that is 2-methoxyorthophenone is occur. In this way two products are obtained at Friedel-Crafts acylation. Third is nitration reaction. That means addition of NO2 group, and nitration is occur in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Again here HNO2, here HNO2, this is the here, see here HNO2 group, this added into anisole, and here students see here hydrogen from this para and ortho position is removed, and here NO2 group is attached. In this way 4 nitroanisole and 2 nitroanisole, these two products are obtained. Out of these, the 4 nitroanisole is a major product and 2 nitroanisole is a minor product. In this way we see the halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and nitration reaction in aromatic ethers. I hope you understand the topic.